Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a recipe of a red chutney which is used with mysore dosa or idli, and this is a really good condiment for South Indian cuisine. So let's start. But if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified first of my future videos. So we're going to start with heating up a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. When oil is hot, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and we are going to roast them well. Once it's roasted, we are going to add 1 medium onion that is chopped and saute for a few seconds, and add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. You can increase or you can decrease the garlic depending on your preference. And I'm going to add some salt so that the onions start to release some water. Now I'm adding this red capsicum or bell pepper to add a color, but it is completely optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. Now saute until everything softens, and then I'm going to keep that aside. Here I have dried red chilies which I have soaked for a few hours. So I'm going to add the mixture into the blending jar along with the red chilies. With that goes the roasted chana dal, then 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, or if you have a fresh coconut that would be perfect, but I don't have it, so I'm going to add the dried. And then the water from the chilies, I don't want to waste it because it has a lot of flavor. Now I'm going to blend this using my coffee grinder. I have link in the description box, until it's a smooth paste. See the color, it's really bright orange, and this is how we want. And now you can adjust the consistency by adding more water. For me this is a perfect consistency, so I'm gonna keep it. Garnish with some coconut powder, and it's perfect to go with mysore masala dosa or idli. I like it with idli and sambar. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.